You can check this out in a link in this.
On today's menu, an easy and delicious recipe that's superb. Hot and sour noodle soup.
Lei Hou Ma, I'm Yeung from YoungMenCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is delicious, easy to make, all in one pot, no frying, no mess. This is how you make it.
Small pot.
This is a delicious, simple veggie stock I made in the previous episode. Definitely nothing wrong with using store-bought, but if you do have the time, I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can make this delicious veggie stock at home.
3 cups veggie stock. Medium-high heat. 3 large cremini mushrooms sliced. Slice about 100 grams of extra firm tofu into strips. Slice about a 1/4 cup worth of bamboo. Three sticks of green onion, chopped. When the stock starts to bubble, add the mushrooms. Small bunch broccolini, tofu, bamboo. I'm using about 70 grams of ramen noodles. These noodles will cook in 4 minutes.
So normally we would use potato or cornstarch to thicken that soup, but these gluten-free ramen noodles I'm using actually does release quite a bit of starch. So we're just going to use the noodles to thicken the soup.
Gently stir to release the noodles. 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce.
Right, so this is black rice vinegar, and you can definitely sub this out for regular rice vinegar if you really cannot find this, but if you can, it should be a pretty easy product to find at an Asian grocery store. And this is fairly inexpensive. This one bottle was about $4 Canadian, $3 or $4 Canadian, and lasts quite a while, so definitely check it out.
1 tablespoon black rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon cane sugar. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Stir. Bowl. Plate. Green onion.
This is some really aromatic, smoky, not too spicy chili oil, and this will just really next level this soup. Now, if you don't have this on hand, I'll leave a link in the description box below, and you can check out and make this really easily at home.
Couple drizzles of chili oil. You can now make this hot and sour noodle soup with absolute confidence.
Man, that is one beautiful bowl. Just love when soups are just that bright ruby red. Amazing. Just a burst of flavor. Such a joy to eat. I mean, it's definitely a big perk to be able to cook everything in one pot and just have this amazing meal ready for you. You have the nice kind of crunchiness from the broccolini, the freshness of the green onions. You have to be really generous with the green onions. It just adds that amazing freshness. And you have the earthiness from the mushrooms, which also adds flavor into further flavors, these veggie stock. And you have the meatiness from the tofu, the bamboo, and the chili oil really adds that not too spicy but smoky flavor that's really, really delicious. We'll try a little bit of that incredible red broth. Man, that is packed with flavor. It's spicy, it's salty, not too spicy, just a little bit of a kick. It's salty, it's tangy from that black rice vinegar, and that subtle sweetness from the cane sugar. Everything just kind of works in harmony, and man, just delicious. Really, really delicious, and so easy to put together. I can definitely sit down with a big bowl of this on a chilly day and be very happy. Just love it. By the way, if you haven't already checked out or gotten your copy of the vegan ramen cookbook and you love noodle recipes, you definitely have to check this out. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can find out more information about this. Plus, in that same link, you can also watch the entire first class of that new plant-based sushi making masterclass. And that is a 5-class series designed and curated to help you make delicious and stunning sushi right at home. That is a masterclass you'll really eat up. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.